rotation will go like this. So it's spinning that way. Alright, so I tend to always use my feet. It's a great help. And always make sure the motor is on the ground. You don't want to do this mid-air where you can only use your hands, because you honestly won't have enough force or enough pressure to do the job. So I do it exactly as so. I'll always put my foot down where it's in, try and push it round as much as I can, so you can see it's gone in slightly there. Grab my tyre lever. I'll come up at around about, if I'm facing this way, an 11 o'clock angle, or let's say 12 o'clock angle with my foot, and I'll push it on. Now you can see that part of the tyre is in, not completely, but a little bit. Then rotate it, bring the tyre lever, always hold the tyre just to try and keep it in place, keep a bit of pressure on it. Move up a little bit, same again, push down with your hand, try and push the tyre in. That's one part done. Always keep your foot on the part where it's just about to come out, so that it obviously doesn't pop out this side. Grab your tyre lever, slide her in there. Again, just a little gap between here and there. Push up, and then use your hand again to try and push it in as best you can. It's another section done, so you can move along. Again, if you need to adjust the motor like I've just done, just twist it. Always make sure you readjust your foot so that again it's on the bit where the tyre's about to pop out. Move your tyre lever a little bit. Same again. Pop it in, nice and easy. Should get a little bit easier now. A little tip, if you have access, you can always use this thread as a little lever to push your tyre lever around. And last little bit, give it a nice push forward. And yeah, your tyre's on there. Nearly. As you can see, in terms of damage, we've barely created any. Unfortunately, solid tyres, you will get the odd scratch, but so we're not really bothered about the condition of this because it's a dud motor. We're just here to show you the best way to fit it. So when you come to this side, you'll see that it's not actually fully in yet. The tyre is still hanging out, so we turn the motor over now. What we do is we get our tyre lever. I tend to try and push on the tyre. You can see it flexing a little bit. Just push it out of the way so you can get your tyre lever in. Pull the tyre back. And now, if you look at the other side, you'll see that it's gone in there and it's sitting nice there. So what we have to do is go around the whole tyre and just do the same process. Give it a little pull. And I'll show you again, for example. Now the tyre's going in and sitting correctly. So let's go around the whole tyre one time. And that is it. It is as easy as that. Now, it really does depend on what type of solid tyre you use as to how easy it will be to fit. This hasn't been preheated or anything at all, that was just straight out the box. So this type of tyre I do recommend, highly recommend. It's very good quality. It does feel really nice compared to a lot of other solids. We do offer a 10x250 solid tyre that fits these motors and the rear rim perfectly fine. They're also a really great solid tyre. So we only do recommend this one and that one. As you can see, really easy to fit. So I hope that helps you guys when you come to fit your solid tyre. If you need any help, give us a shout. Take care, ride safe.